Hello and welcome back to long-term review for another unboxing video. Today we talk about the Recon 1 with a Tanto blade partially serrated. And of course it's a folder knife, so we have to find out, is it better than my personal carry knife, the Dejo 37 gram? And is it better than the subject of the last video, this gigantic piece of shit that maybe looks cool, but cut my finger? The fingertip is almost off, and I am not at wrestling practice today because of this. So yeah, this is the Cold Steel AD15. I really dislike it. I think the opening mechanism is pretty unsafe. I expected more out of it. But this video is about the Recon 1 and we have a look at it. Of course, I saw multiple videos on YouTube about this knife, how to, you can even modify it with a deep carry clip. I think that's the first thing I will do if I decide to keep it. You could also add a snaggle tooth to the back of the blade to make it open at drawing. You could also open the grip to tune the feather a bit by bending it. If it's just a bit too hard going, and yeah, here we have it. The G10 feels pretty good. Let's open it. Maybe it goes one-handed. Sometimes they go a bit hard, but I think that works for me. The blade looks shorter than I expected. Let's test this. Yet it immediately shaves off skin at this part. And what my boss at the carpenter training always said, if you want to check if a blade is sharp enough, just balance it at your nail and pull it forward. If it sticks, it's sharp enough. As you could see, it also cuts skin on the tip of my finger. Yeah, the last blade did this also. And as you can see, it's S35VN steel. I personally hope that this one is will also come out in Magna Cut, maybe just before Christmas. Maybe I beg my mother to buy it for me in this version. And what else can we see? The sharpening on this is only one-sided as it appears. So normal blades have the sharpening on both sides, as you can see, but with this it appears to be only on one side done together with the serration on the blade. And with other versions of this, some people complained that the sharpness doesn't go through till the end. I think it's more visible when you have a fully straight edge, but with the serration it doesn't matter that much, I think. Speaking of serration, why I always liked them is because with this knife I can always grab inside here to open it, or if I want to do something like act with a shorter blade, it's a bit pointy, but you can grab here for lighter tasks. It's not a problem. I'm a bit shy of hurting my my fingers again, but I think that's possible. I see it digs in immediately. There is no coating over the serration, not as the Dejo. And yeah, now we see how it closes. I'm always afraid when doing this, for this one finger, it took two really hard hits from the last Recon one I ordered, and of course here the 8015. I'm not sure, I mean, how to close this. I mean, I used it now I push this, hope it falls enough to close it with one hand and not enough to hack into my hand. I think I could tune the feather a bit if I decide to keep it. And there's some other thing that just came to my mind, which is the deep carry clip, or the non-existence of a deep carry clip. I ordered something else for this, and here we have a deep carry clip that is, I think, made for Spyderco knives, but it's clearly visible that there is no standard distance between these three locks for all knife manufacturers. They all do it a bit different, I think. So this won't work. If you want to deep carry this one, I think you have to look for something that is that's specifically made for this knife, that also ships to your area. And what else do I have to say about it? I think I take it with me the next days, and if I decide to keep it, I give you a impression on its long-term use, or if it will be sent back. And if you want to know what I think about other products that I actually kept for a long time, like this one, check out my other videos, and see you next time. So I just took this out on a walk. After having it with me yesterday for going to the grocery store. It fell out of my pocket multiple times when sitting down in my car because the pocket clip just doesn't work for me. Then there's the problem with the blade itself. Here it's cut myself. When unboxing the next Amazon package, I will review for you. Stay tuned for this. And yeah, this comes back to my point that thinner blades are easier to control. It just fell down on my finger due to its weight. And yeah, the Deju 37 is still king. Subscribe to the channel.